I know the perfect way to destroy her.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Henry County and southeastern Alabama, south central Clay County and southwestern Georgia, northwestern Early County and southwestern Georgia until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Columbia, Oregon, 11 miles west of Blakely, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Henry, south central Clay, and northwestern Early counties, including the following locations: Hailburg, Hayes, Barnes, and Kalamoki Mountains SP. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Henry, Alabama, and the following counties in Georgia: Clay and Early.
I will never eat gumdrops.